Hello and welcome to Love Advice TV. How to improve self-esteem. This is a very, very important question that most of my clients, unfortunately, are struggling with. Because after a breakup, when the love of your life, mother to your kids, the husband to your children, ends a relationship or wants a divorce, you have a tendency of feeling like crap. Nothing has meaning or purpose. Your goals are no longer of value or importance to you. And you're basically grasping at straws, trying to understand who you are, what you're trying to accomplish, and how you're just going to get through the day. And self-esteem can be shattered very quickly when you go through a breakup or a separation. And so what can you do to regain that mojo? What can you do to regain that self-esteem? Well, I'm here to tell you that your partner should not have that power over you. I know that it hurts. I know that it's tremendously difficult because I deal with people that are in your situation each and every day. And I've been there myself, by the way. But you don't have to stay in this funk. You don't have to live in this constant fear of not being good enough or just feel rejected. And you can regain that self-esteem by slowly focusing on your true core values. What do you value? Who are you really? What is important to you? Not to win your ex back or not to get back with the one you love. Outside of that love sphere, what is important to you? And if you're able to identify those core values and fight each and every day to make sure that you're living a life according and based on those values, you will slowly start to regain self-esteem. Ultimately, you have to stop trying to please others, stop trying to compare yourself to others, stop being in fear of what other people will think of you, and focus on truly making yourself happy. For each, it's different. People value different things. But ultimately, you will regain self-esteem when you are proud of the person that you see in the mirror, proud of what you do and your actions. And it is not reasonable to expect this to just happen overnight. You have to have a plan, and you have to take action. You have to bring yourself to account, see how you're doing, and then take action again. And this four-step process of having a plan, taking action, bringing yourself to account to see how you're doing, and then taking action again, if repeated over a long enough period of time, if sustained, will help you regain that self-esteem. It's proven, it's tried, it's tested. This is what I do on a daily basis with clients. But it takes rigor. You have to have discipline. It's not easy. And that's why working with a coach is so important, because I can keep you accountable. I can make sure that you don't let up along the way, that you will do everything that you've got to do to accomplish those goals that you've set out to achieve. And everyone deserves to have a high self-esteem, because when you have a distorted vision of yourself, unfortunately, every aspect of your life suffers. And I've seen people who are able to compartmentalize, who are very successful in their work, who are managers, have achieved a lot, but when it comes to love, they don't know what to do. They're insecure, they're scared, and they have these false beliefs that continuously prevents them from being in the relationship that they want to be in. And it happens to a lot of women who are very successful, men too, actually, who just can't seem to figure it out in love because they don't know what to do, because they don't feel equipped to get back out there or to exist without a partner. You have been conditioned to think a certain way. And together, working together, we can help you let go of those false beliefs and help you regain a significant, just help you regain confidence in you and in what you can accomplish. And personal development and relationships are my passions. And I'd love to be able to bring these things together to empower people in their love lives. And so, yes, if you'd like to work together, book a session with me, Coach Adrian. It would be my pleasure to work together. If you have thoughts, questions, concerns in regards to this topic, linked to self-esteem and confidence, please leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and my team and I will address them, provide you with a boost, some guidance, and help you get to that next step. Take good care, keep fighting the good fight, and see you soon for another video on Love Advice TV.